Good morning, YouTube. Hello guys. Another wonderful bathroom. Let's see. Amazing floor. Radiator. Everything is covered with the Limescale everywhere. All those walls. Shower mixtures. Head. This is a bit of challenging one. Amazing glass. I like it. Toilet. Everything is covered with a craft. And amazing sink. Sweet, is it? So, yeah, we have to do that bathroom quickly because today is a sunny day, which is not common. So, we definitely want to go with my partner to the seaside to get some rest. Check this out. This is crazy. You can't even look through that window. So yeah, let's crack on that. I hope I can sort this out in about 1 hour. And I can go where I want to go. Yeah. It's done, as you can see. We did it! Looks good, is it? Nice and shiny again. Here we go. Okay, sweet. So the bathroom took me about an hour. I'm not enjoying that anymore, to be honest. It's like digging in the cave. That's the other one. I did manage to sort out this one as well. I just have to put special chemical in that toilet bowl, leave it for some time and just wipe it off in a few hours. So now is the time for the relax. I'm going to the seaside with my sweetie. So see you later.